This spicy, vegan, protein-packed Thai green curry includes mindful chicken, eggplant, and mushrooms. In a large pot over medium heat, spoon about ½ cup of the thick coconut cream from the top of a can of coconut milk. Reduce the coconut cream until it becomes thick and bubbly. Add 4 tablespoons of curry paste, as well as the garlic, ginger, and lemongrass. Fry these aromatics in the cream for a few minutes. Pour in the remaining coconut milk, vegetable stock, and lime leaves and bring to a simmer. Season with soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat. Add the oil and sweet earth mindful chicken. Sauté for 1 minute. Add the remaining curry paste and cook for another minute. Now add the mindful chicken to the curry sauce. Next, add the eggplants and mushrooms to the curry and bring to a simmer. Cook until the vegetables are tender, about 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust the seasoning with salt, lime, and palm sugar to taste. Stir in the basil and cilantro until it wilts. Remove the curry from the heat and serve hot, garnished with cilantro and basil with a side of brown rice. There you have it, Thai green curry with mindful chicken, eggplant, and mushrooms. This Thai green curry is a Thai classic prepared without any animal products, but with all the depth of flavor and protein. Enjoy!